Good afternoon, my friends, and welcome to Universal Orlando. We have so much to talk about regarding the HHN 35. It's finally here, guys. It's finally here. Scarezone construction for HHN has officially started, and we're going to go check out all the minor details that they have added, and also discuss how we may have confirmation on what type of show could be coming to HHN this year. And we're going to go over those details, but also talk about a house that may not be coming to the event that was speculated this year. So, enough talking. Let's go ahead, get in there, have a great time, and dive in. Before I even step foot inside the park, we have our first truss of the HHN season. They are both up. This looks to be like the trusses we're going to have where they put a bunch of lights on these and it just shines right here before you even walk inside the park itself. That is pretty cool, and it looks to be in the same exact spot. So I think this is for HHN, which means construction inside the park is probably ongoing. Uh-oh, guys, it really is starting right now. Those looks to be like brand new lights. And if you see right here, actually up here, they're about to add some more. So this is, I think it is HHN construction. Finally ongoing. This is awesome to see, man. Same thing over here. I don't recall seeing these lights here last time I was here. They look to be new. See the cord right there? Oh yeah, it looks like it is time. And construction season is officially ongoing in the Scarezones. So look at this one over here too. As you can tell, these white lights are the normal lights. Those are also right there. These are the HHN lights. These are the gobos. These are the ones that project onto the ground, and you can put some different colors. You see the film right there? You can also put maybe like some type of symbol can be right there, plastered on the ground. So that is just pretty cool to see, man. Finally it is ongoing. Same thing here on Today Cafe. I think those are new, if I'm not mistaken. They look new. They look brand new, actually. Those have been added also. So now you guys know what to look for. Normal lights. Those are always there. But those lights seem to be the new ones. They are all over here. We have another one right there. We have more way over there. Those have been added. There was nothing on that roof last time I was here. Same thing over there. And those are not lights. Those are actually part of the store. But I don't see any more. I think that's it. Oh wait, nope, there's some more way over there too. So yeah, they have them all around the Hollywood Scarezone. And there's more that I saw from somebody else online. So we're gonna check out more. Man, that's awesome to finally see Scarezone construction really actually ongoing at the moment. It's about that time finally. So we're probably gonna start getting just some rapid updates of stuff just coming along. I cannot wait. I really can't. I'm so excited about this. But let's check out 5 and Dime first, see if there's anything new, see if there's some more merch left. I'm pretty sure there is merch left for you guys, but let's check it out. And yes, there is. There is some more Sinners merch, some more shirts. They actually removed the Oddfellow and Jack shirts. That was right here. Are they on the back? They're probably on the back. Yep. They're actually here in the back. So those are still available also, guys. Oh yeah. Above 5 and Dime, there's some more right here that was just added. Those I think are the same lights. Maybe they're new. I feel like they're new. But then I think there's one up here too. Yep, we got some up here. I don't see any on the other roofs over here. They haven't added anything yet, but I'm pretty sure we'll have some more up here, and probably one up here on top of Mel's Dining. And now this brings me to questions. So we have our little Finnegan's sidebar right here, but they added these a long time ago. I wonder, are these going to be here for HHN? I think so, with them starting construction, because these were added not too long ago. And I was like, it's probably just nothing, probably for Grad Bash or something. That's what I thought it was for, but they're still up. And I think everything for Grad Bash has came down except for these. Let me know if I'm wrong, but I don't recall these being here for Mardi Gras. I thought there was like a little more taller right here because I remember drinking on this right here. I was drinking on one of them, but there was like something where I can put my drink right there. So I think these are new, and I think they're here for HHN also. All right, guys, we have a lot to go over. So let's go ahead and start with the show. So we can finally put to rest that Nightmare Fuel is more than likely not happening anymore because they posted this right here. They will be going on tour the same time HHN will be going on. So that is indication that they are not going to be here at Halloween Horror Nights this year. And that correlates to something that I was just told, which is Carnival of Carnage seems to be the show that will be coming to HHN this year. I'm down for that. I had a feeling it was going to be like a Jack and Chance show. It seems that they're going to be bringing like the Carnival of Carnage show, which is what I was just told. We'll see if it happens. Nothing confirmed until HHN confirms. But I know it was speculated to be like this jacked up show, or maybe the show for Horror Unleashed. People were saying it could be the Slay or Stay show that they have over there. But it seems to be that they may be bringing back the Carnival of Carnage show. Now, if they do bring that back, I love that show, for one. I love it. It's entertaining. It's creepy. I love Jack. He's funny. Chance is in that show. I love it. But what I hope they do is just bring like certain different acts for each show, or maybe show by show per night, just bring different acts to each one. So it's a little different. So next time you come, if you want to go to a different time, maybe you'll get a different show. So I hope they do mix it up a little bit and just bring some different acts, but I'm down for this one. How are you guys feeling about the Carnival of Carnage possibly making its way back to HHN? I'm down for that. Checking up on the Sprung area to see if there's anything going on, but I don't see anything, guys. HHN, come on, man. I know you guys want to make a facade. I know you want to make it. Just go ahead and make it for us so we can see something. I don't see anything over here either. Yep. Nothing yet, guys. I know they're going to make this facade soon. Maybe they won't make one this year. Who knows? They usually do, so we'll check back on this. Let's see if there's anything going on inside Fear Factor stage, guys. Wait a minute. Oh, wait a minute. There seems to be like a railing right there. I know, I'm sorry, the camera's moving bad. Let's see if I can. Yeah, that is new. That is brand new. Oh, man. What are they doing? Can you guys tell me in the comments below what they're possibly doing? Because that railing is definitely 100% new. Yeah, I see some wiring going on right there. I wonder if there's something on the other side now. Let me see. Let's go check out the other side. They are 100% working on whatever show is going to be here. And just from looking, yeah, those are a bunch of trusses that are hanging up. Okay, so I see what's going on. There's definitely not Nightmare Fuel, but it's definitely something different. They are actually working on something back there. What does that yellow thing say? Is that a caution sign? Don't know, but yeah. Let me see if I can get a closer look, but that is definitely brand new. 100%. If you look inside there, you can see the lights, the gobo lights that are on top of those railings or the trusses. Oh yeah, look all the lights that have been added that's hanging down with the wires right here. Wow. Oh yeah, it's right here too. Holy crap, it is finally happening. Wow. I know it's just lights and trusses, guys, but this is just good news for all us HHN fans because it's a sign of more to come. That is so cool to see. Very nice. It's happening, guys. It is happening. That only confirms everything that we have saw so far. The trusses in the front of the park, the lights that's hanging up inside on top of the buildings in Hollywood. That now pretty much confirms everything that they have really started construction for HHN, because we know one thing, Fear Factor stage is only used one time a year, and that is when HHN is here. So that is just so cool to see that we finally have construction ongoing, and we probably have some more things to see in New York, because now I want to check out all the different lanes and alleys to see if we see some things. Maybe we see some lights on top of the buildings. I don't know. We're gonna check everything out now. Oh my goodness. Is it what I think it is? Fast and Furious is closed, guys. I told you, once they really start doing construction, they're gonna start closing this early. It seems it is closed early, which means construction is probably really getting popping inside there right now, because it's only 6:45 and it's already closed. The park does not close till 9. So let's see what is behind there. So as you'll see right here, there's not much going on yet. They're probably doing stuff inside rather than outside at the moment, because that's usually how it goes when they do construction inside Fast and Furious. So not yet, but it is good to see that the ride is closing early, because that means they are really getting construction ongoing inside there, and we'll have possibly some props like they did with the Jason house last year on the outside portion of that tent. Now, another thing I want to talk to you guys about is the Ozzy house rumor. It seems it may have been shot down by John Murdy himself. Someone asked John Murdy if we were going to get the Ozzy house on X, and he replied, "No, but you're close." So it has me thinking, because yes, John Murdy is very, very playful, but he also is very straightforward sometimes. And I think this one has some truth to it. And if so, what house are we going to get that's close to Ozzy, but not Ozzy? I'm thinking that HHN Orlando may go back to what was been rumored from the beginning of the speculation season, which is still, because the punk rock hands are still on the spec map for both Holodoc or really just Horror Night Nightmares. Maybe, just maybe, we're going to get Heavy Meta Hell 3D with the music by Ice Nine Kills. It's possible that that may be it. It may be an original house with some IP music, and that would explain why the carousel only has 3 spots left for 3 more IP houses. Because we already got 1 IP house. Holy crap, the wind is blowing. We already got 1 IP house, and there's only 3 spots left. Usually we get 5. So maybe that's why that carousel only has 3 spots left, because we only have 3 IPs left, technically. I don't think those lights are new at all. I don't think those are new. I feel like those have always been there. Maybe not, but I do see someone in all black, guys, and that is HHN right there. All black seems to be HHN. That's what I was told. That's what it's always been. Who knows? And it looks like she's going up there. And I think I see some new lights up there. Let's go from another angle. So you can see them from here. I think those are brand new lights. It's possible those are new. I don't recall seeing those before. I think those are. And there's something on the other side that I want to show you. Maybe I don't look up much, but I think this cord is new. I think this cord is brand new. I don't recall ever seeing a cord right here. Maybe I'm wrong. Let me know in the comments if I am. I'm gonna look back on some old videos, but this could be some cords, because last year when we had some cords, they was part of the scare zone. This could be the same thing. Those lights seems to be new too. I don't recall seeing those before. They definitely weren't there before, actually. And then those, I know for a fact are new. That's new, and that's new. And then there's actually a little bit more. Same thing over here, guys. Those are some new lights. Those are some new lights. Those are some new lights. And then if you look over here, I think they've added, so they actually took some lights away right here, added those right there, and then those have been added also. So these are all lights for the scare zones in the food court area that is usually in New York. That is awesome. They actually seem to be testing those right now. Yeah, those are on. Those are actually on. Those are being tested at the moment. Those are also new lights that they added. Because those lights, there's no use to have those lights right there for regular park days. And these definitely look new. They have definitely been added. That is awesome to see. And where we usually have our bar that's over here, that seems to be, I think those are new lights, guys. That looks new. I'm gonna go check the front out and see if there's any color to them in the film, but I think that is new too. Okay, maybe I am missing something, but I think those lights are new. I know the gobos are. Those are new. I don't think those are, but those are definitely new lights. And then they also have these right here. So these, yeah, they have some, these are gobos. I don't recall that being there. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe I'm wrong. I could be wrong. Let me know in the comments if I am. But I think those are possibly new. And it seems they have the same pole over here. Okay, they're not. No, because they're still adding one on that side. This is new. That's new. Is there a concert that's supposed to be over here? I don't think so. I don't see anything in the summer coming up. Usually we have our huge queue right here. Now, that could be the reason why we have lights pointing down here, because you're going to need lights. But maybe there's a concert? I don't think there's a concert coming to Universal this summer here. So I think this is for our queue that's right here. You know what, guys? They are actually testing this one right now also. And they're testing these over here. These are definitely the brand new lights for the Scarezones, the opening entrance Scarezones. That is so awesome to see, man. Yes, that is awesome. Well, guys, that will be it for today's video. Wow, that was a lot. I did not come here to see all that. I'm gonna be 100% honest with you guys. I did not expect any of that to happen. I came to do other things, and that just sprung on me seeing all those lights, the construction and fear factor, all of that. That is so cool to see. How are you guys feeling about HHN officially starting as far as construction season go? Now that we have the lights, we should see some trusses pop up, which actually we do. This one right here. So we possibly have our first truss up. We may see some trusses in the park soon. It is only the beginning, and it is going to be an awesome off season. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, go ahead, smash that like button, share, turn notifications on, and most importantly, subscribe. And you guys have a great rest of your day. See ya.